So earlier we have studied about indices, like 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 3 to the power 10 equals to. So this is slightly difficult to calculate, and though can be calculated, but if we have to find 3 to the power 100, then it will be more difficult. For doing these types of long calculations, when the calculator was not invented, so mathematicians have used the theory of logarithm. So first we will understand the formulas of logarithm. Then only we will be able to use it to simplify the calculations using the log table. Okay. So in our course there is no use of log table. We have to study about the theory of logarithm, only the formulas of logarithm this year. Okay. Like if a to the power x equals to b, you know that it's an index. And when it is converted to a logarithmic form, it is written as log b to the base a equals to x. How should we read it? Log b to the base a equals to x. Is that clear to everyone? So read it with me. Log b to the base a equals to x. What? Read both the lines now. If a to the power x equals to b, it implies that log b to the base a equals to x. Okay, what?
If a to the power x equals to b, it implies that log b base
B to the base a, log b base a, in short we can say log b base a. Okay, what?
if a to the power x equals to b, it implies that log b base a is equal to x.
Okay, log b base a equals to x. For example, 10 to the power 1 equals to 10. It implies if you change it to logarithmic form, then what will it become?
Log 10 to the power 10. Log 10 base 10
Log 10 to the base 10 equals to 1. Okay. If a to the power 1 equals to 8, how will you change it to logarithmic form?
Log a to the base a equals 1.
Log a to the base a equals to 1. Is that clear to you everyone? So this can also be considered as a formula. If log and its exponent both are same, the exponent of a log and its base are same, then its value will be 1. Log a base a equals to 1. Is that clear to you everyone?
Yes.
This can be considered as second formula. Okay. Remember, sometimes log x is only written when no base is written. So if you all know everything, so we should start the exercise then. Tell only that which is asked to you. Okay. So log x equals to log x base 10. When nothing is given as the base, we have to consider 10 as the base. And if there is another base other than 10, then it will be clearly mentioned in that question. Is that clear to everyone? Fourth part. If we write log 100, so what will be the value of log 100? How to find this? We will discuss this also. But before this, we will discuss one more important property of log. Like if log a to the power m is there, no base is written, this base is 10, or we can take any other base also. So it will be equal to this power of a, which is m, becomes the coefficient m into log a base 10. Log a to the power m base 10 equals to m log a base 10. One more property. Log a to the base 10, or we can write any other base also like c. Log a to the power base c plus log b to the base c. Log a to the base c plus log b to the base c equals to log ab to the base c. We will prove it also. First write only. Log a to the base c plus log b to the base c equals to log a to the base c. One more property. First listen, then write. I am not telling you to write just now. Log a base c minus log b base c equals to log a by b to the base c. This base will remain the same. Okay, everyone?
And if base is not given same, then we can't write down.
Yes. If bases are different, then this property cannot be used. For these properties, bases must be same. See, then only we can use this. Okay. This is same as if we have to add 2 cube plus 3 cube, we cannot write 5 cube. Okay. So write these properties first of all. If a to the power x equals to b, it implies log b to the base a equals to x. If a to the power 1 equals to a, it implies log a to the base a equals to 1. If log x is given only, it means base is 10, log x base 10. Log a to the power m base 10 equals to m into log a base 10. Log a base c plus log b base c equals to log ab to the base c. Log a base c minus log b base c equals to log a by b to the base c. Then we will discuss other formulas also. First, write and learn them in your notebook. So let's not first of all prove this formula. Fifth one, log a to the base c plus log b to the base c equals to log ab to the base c. So we will assume this, and whenever I am discussing something, don't write with me. I am giving you time to write it and learn it. So let's assume that log a to the base c equals to x and log b to the base c equals to y. Okay. And we have to find what? Log a base c plus log b base c. Now, if you convert it to index using this formula, log x base a to the power x equals to b, so log b to the base a equals to x. Similarly, if log b base a equals to x, then a to the power x equals to b. Is that clear to you? If log b base a equals to x, then a to the power x equals to b. So use this formula to convert it to index. What will be the result? First,
C to the power x equals to
correct? Second, c to the power y equals to b. Okay. Now, if you multiply these two, multiplying both the equations, these are the equations. Whenever equal to is written, it is the equation only. Okay. So if you multiply those two equations, c to the power x into c to the power y equals to what? AB. Multiply left hand side and the right hand side also. Now if c to the power x into c to the power y is there,
C to the power x plus.
then it will produce c to the power x plus y. These powers will be added. C to the power x plus y equals to AB. Okay. Now can you convert it to log? Using the same, a to the power x equals to b, it implies log b to the base a equals to x. Convert it to log. Wait. Are you not getting? Convert it to logarithmic form by it is a to the power x equals to b. Compare with this. So log b to the base a equals to x. So if a to the power x equals to b, then convert it to log. Log is not there.
log
So use the similar property in this line to convert it to log. In place of b, which term is there? In place of a, in place of x.
x plus
So use it.
log
Base will remain base. Base of this index is also c, and base of logarithmic is also c, and this becomes the exponent. Log ab to the base c equals to x plus y. Now we have assumed that x equals to what?
log C A.
We have assumed that x equals to and y equals to log b to the base c means log ab to the base c equals to log a to the base c plus log b to the base c. Is that clear to everyone? Understand? Or we can change their sides also. Means if we write this side first, log a to the base c plus log b to the base c, it is equal to log ab to the base c. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understood how to prove the formula of log a to the base c plus log b to the base c equals to log ab to the base c. So how to prove 6/5? With the same method, first write the formula only. Log a base c minus log b base c, and we have to prove that log it is equal to log a by b to the base c. So again we will assume the same. Log a to the base c equals to x, log b to the base c equals to y, c to the power x equals to a. If we change it to log into indices, and c to the power y equals to b, then dividing first by second. Dividing equation first by equation second, we get c to the power x upon c to the power y equals to a by b, that is c to the power what?
X minus Y.
C to the power x upon c to the power y is equals to a by b. Now convert it to log. Again, if you compare it with the same a to the power x equals to b, so in place of a it is c, in place of x it is x minus y, in place of b it is a by b. So it is log a by b to the base c equals to x minus y. Now, if we now substitute the values of x and y according to our assumption, then it is log a by b to the base c equals to, in place of x we write log a to the base c, and in place of y, log b to the base c. And then when we change the sides, log a base c minus log b base c equals to log a by b to the base c. Is that clear to you, everyone? Similarly, for fourth, it is log a to the power m to the base c. Actually, this must be written in fourth place, this is fifth, and this should be sixth. So now we can use this property to prove it. Log a to the power m equals to, we can write log a into a and so on up to m times. Okay? To the base c. Is that clear to you? A to the power m is a into a till m times. So now if we use this sum form, that log ab to the base c equals to log a plus log b. So log a into a m times plus log a plus log a plus and so on up to log a m times. Is that clear to you? By using log ab equals to log a plus log b. Log a is log a plus log a, then plus log a, then plus log a, and it happens m times. And now log a plus log a is x plus x. 2x. Similarly, log a plus log a, 2 log a, and log a plus log a plus log a, log a plus log a plus log a, twice only. Log a plus log a plus log a, listen only. It is m times actually, not 4 times only. Log a plus log a plus log a is, and log a plus log a plus log a plus log a. Now it is 4 log a. And if we write it m times, then m log a. So this is the proving of log a to the power m to the base c equals to m log a to the base c. Is that clear to everyone? Similarly, the next properties also we can prove using the first 6 properties. Log a to the base b is given. Then it is equal to, when I am discussing something, don't write anything. Only listen. I am telling you all again and again. Whenever I start speaking, you have to stop writing. Log a to the base b equals to log a upon log b. This is also called base change formula, as we cannot change the base as c. Okay? Log a to the base b equals to log a base c over log b base c. One more formula, log a base b equals to, it will be the reciprocal of log b base b. Okay? Log a base b equals to 1 upon log b base a. Now remember, this is the property when base is 10. 10 means log 10 square base 10 is log 100 to the base 10. 100 can be
So the board is not
square
clearly
to the base
visible.
10. Now if we write it as 2 log 10 base 10, and value of log 10 base 10 we have calculated 1. So it is 2 into 1, that is 2. So whenever it is log 100 to the base 10, the value we can directly write as 2. If this is log 1000 to the base 10, so it is log 10 cube to the base 10, that is 3 into log 10 base 10. So it is 3 into 1, that is 3. Is that clear to everyone?
So the board is not clearly visible.
Huh?
So the board.
Five, convert the following to logarithmic form.
First,
5 where
convert to logarithmic form. First is
convert the following to logarithmic form.
Yes.
5 square equals to 25.
5 square equals to 25. Convert it to log.
So log 25 base 5 equals to 2.
Log 25 to the base 5 equals to 2. We have read the formula. If a to the power x equals to b, then what? Log b to the base a equals to x. So using this formula, if 5 square equals to 25, then log 25 to the base 5 equals to 2. Is that clear to everyone?